Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. Today I'm giving you guys another amazing hair review. So if you are new to my channel, welcome aboard, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you like wig tutorials and if you love to see how units look before purchasing, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and I will see you guys soon. So today I'm reviewing another Outre unit. This unit is Outre's lace front wig in the style Atlanta. And this is what the card looks like. It also has some step-by-step instructions on here. And I got it in the color DRFF4/hazelnut honey. And if this unit kind of looks familiar to you from watching me, it is because I had got something similar to this. I had did this review in the same color for a different unit called Yvette. So it's basically the same unit, it's just shorter. Yvette had a free parting space and this one has a middle part. So this is actually a lace front wig, and I believe that unit was a 13x6 lace front wig. It's pretty much the same textured hair, the same type of unit, but I'm going to give you guys my opinion on this Atlanta style unit. I actually almost wish I would have gotten this color, the cherry red. It's on the card. In my Yvette review, I feel like I might have mentioned that the hair was like very long and it was a lot of hair. So I wonder if people from Outre are watching our videos and taking our suggestions, you know, cut me a check. And so if you have not seen that review, make sure you guys click the link below after you are finished watching this video. So this unit is pre-plucked, has lace parting space, natural baby hairs. It's heat safe up to 400 degrees, and it comes in a bunch of other colors. There is, I believe, a $2 upcharge for specialty colors. I got this unit from Wig Types and it was only $28. So I think that's a really good price point for this type of unit. It's cute and, you know, it was easy to put on. I didn't really have to do much. So I did cut the lace, and I did not glue down my edges because the hair covers all of that anyway. But I did use my Fenty stick and a little brush, and I went in just to, you know, add some definition to the part. So this unit does have a little bit of shedding. I wouldn't say any tangling as of yet, but being as though this seems like the same type of hair from the Yvette review, I do feel like it would tangle. You know, it will mat back here against your neck and the hair will get bigger and bigger. So keep that in mind. You will have to eventually put product in it just to like keep it still, but it's cute. I do like this color and I do like the style. It's definitely a plop and go. I would say that the cap size is big head friendly. I do have my adjustable straps all the way to the tightest loop in there, so I would definitely say it is big head friendly. And I do feel like there might be a little bit of heat on your neck with the hair. It's not heavy, but because it is thick, I do feel like there would be a little bit of heat down here with this hot weather. But I'm going to give you guys a 360. But yes, super quick, fun, easy video. I hope you guys enjoy. Before we go, I have some Black businesses I want to highlight. My mother wrote a children's book. It's called Adventures of Sable Brown. It's on Amazon. And it's about a young girl and her little brother taking closet adventures in the African safari. So make sure you guys check it out. You will love it. It's such a cute book. Also, my husband and I are selling cooling towels on Amazon. You get 2 in the pack. You wet the towel, you wring it, and you shake it out, and it keeps you cool. I used mine when we went hiking in the Poconos a couple weeks ago. My husband has a labor job, so he uses it for that. And we have amazing customer reviews. Our customers love this product because it keeps you cool. We have people that are going to the gym, people that have hot flashes, people that like to do yoga, or they use it for their kids at amusement parks or even parks. So if you want to support a Black owned business, make sure you guys check us out. The link is listed below, and I greatly appreciate it. Thanks for watching. And again, if you like wig tutorials and if you love to see how units look before purchasing, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. I bring videos to you every Monday. I do post videos on Thursdays as well. Sometimes it's wigs, sometimes it's Black love, sometimes it's clothing hauls. It varies. I'm still trying to decide what I want to post on Thursdays, but wigs are definitely on Mondays. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.